Bore da. Good morning.
Are you all ready for this challenge? So your challenge is to set up a social enterprise to deliver a product or a service that will be sustainable within your college.
It seems like it is going to be challenging, but I think we can do it.
Yeah, it's a challenge really that.
It can be a collaborative effort throughout the day. We're going to draw ideas from everybody, pull them into one area.
We've done a few challenges before, we all got on really well and we come up with lots of ideas as a team. I think we're a good team, yeah.
Coming up with our best idea, then going to see which mentor is going to be best for us to use.
People will come up with such a broad range of ideas just based on their own experiences and the diversity of their teams. So I'm really excited to hear just how broad that range is.
Almost more than the ideas, I'm interested in seeing the level of enthusiasm and excitement.
The team knows what they're doing, we have the rules, we have the pitch ready for tomorrow, and we will win this.
We've spent our money waiting for a mentor now who's going to give us a couple of pointers and just see what's going to happen, see if he can help us with our business idea we've come up with.
Making £200. Yeah. All right. Don't overcomplicate things.
Yeah. Is there any space at all that you've got?
If they had the fresh food idea like we have in college at the store, making them fresh, I'd buy them.
I think we have much time left now.
If those are the ideas that are coming through, the future's bright for the country, I think.
Y sioc fwyaf ges i oedd mor weiddiol mae'r syniadau o gofio to dim ond bore ddo gethon nhw teitl beth o'n nhw fod i wneud.
Croeso i'r stafell arbennig yma ac i'r cinio arbennig. The vibe has been absolutely fantastic. Teamwork has been absolutely brilliant. And the winner is, of the Ian Bennett Award winner, goes to Coleg Gwent.
It was about 24 hours ago, just over that, where we launched the challenge for you yesterday.
And the winner is Coleg Merthyr Tydfil College.